Ano manino internet? Hi guys, we are here at the National Museum of Davao City, and this is my very first time to be here. There are some types of rocks that I don't even know what kind of rock it is, and somewhere there is a photo of a rakshisha flower that is one of the most rare flowers in the world. Here are some types of the rocks that you must find here in the Philippines. Wow, what a nice view. So I came live here at the Davao City. Wow. Volcanoes, faults and trench, non-metallic minerals. What's that? Metallic minerals. Here with Maria Ungi. Shoutout kang Primrose, kang Pamela, kang Tiffany. Bahamas. So here it is, the video of life below the waves. There is a sea turtles, some fish, some sharks, and over here there's a sea urchin, sea police. I don't know what kind of sea creature it is. Favorite food, crustaceans. Bahamas, mangrove. It's a dodo bird. Sabi na kong dodo bird daw. Biglaan. Oh, nag-vlog ko din. Hi, shout out. Seagrasses. Hi. Bapa kay Cecil. Bapa ni.
Ani ano na pa yung beach, no? Pigot na peaceful friend. So have friend. Dari this on picture.
Hi guys, pauli na mi. Unsa man na?
Ako ano? Hi
Paul.
guys.
Hi na.
Please subscribe sa channel ni Diz, guys.
Yes.
Unsay tawag nimo sa ila, like mga Diz lang ana?
Sparkles.
Sparkles, okay.
Sparkles ang tawag na ko sa ila, this. So we're here at the People's Park. There is a koi. Na ay koi. Nice. Ugaw na gani tayo this. But the vibes itself is kinda relaxing. Salong ka dira aday, charot.
Ay, naku, may isda, oh. Gagmay na lang, pipila na lang.
Pero katong sa una, daghan kayo to
daghan
day.
mo. And tinaw sa kayo ang tubig.
Goodbye. Charot.